Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore lost pages in Shopify using theme and page history, full guide step by step clearly. To restore lost pages in Shopify using theme and page history, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Online Store tab on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to access your current theme settings. Locate the theme you're using and click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Edit Code to open the theme files. In the Theme Code Editor, look for the Templates section on the left side. Find the page that you want to restore, which may be listed under the Pages or Sections folders. Once you've located the correct file, select it to view the code. Now, look for the History option at the top of the editor. Click on History to see the previous versions of the current file. Scroll through the versions to locate the one you want to restore. Click on it to view a preview of that version. If you're satisfied with your choice, select Restore this version to revert to the previous code. After restoring the version, click Save to apply the changes. Next, navigate back to the Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the Pages section under the Online Store tab. Review the list of pages to ensure the lost page has been successfully restored. Finally, check your storefront to confirm that the restored page appears as intended. You have now completed the restoration process for lost pages in Shopify using theme and page history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.